Hey guys, I have been getting a lot of questions on what are the traditional art supplies that I use. So I thought I'll make a quick video on it. First one in the list is my Tombow pens. These are the ones I use to do my inking. I have this pen which is called Tombow Water Best ABT. It has a brush nib and it has a small tip as well, but this is water soluble, so it is good to do the ink paintings where you want to give a look of that you are painting with ink. This I do not use for line arts because when you color over it, it gets dissolved. This is also water soluble. I have actually tested it out. As you can see, it says water based pigment ink. This is, I don't know what to call it, but this is mostly for calligraphy. But I like to get like really nice control over it. It's like a flexible nib here. It's really good, but it is water soluble as well, so it is good for adding details in the end. And then I have this one. This is a brush pen. This is called a brush pen, and again a flexible nib. This is also good for adding details in the end. It is black and this is also water soluble, but I love it because it's really good at adding pigments. This one is my favorite. This is the one I use for line art. I use this nib for line art, again that flexible nib, and this is not water soluble, so you can use it for line art. And this side is actually gray ink, and it you can add some variation between like gray and black using this pen.